Hi, my name is Dr. Matthew Lee at NorthStar Dental in Greeley, Colorado. If you're watching this video, you might be experiencing a dental emergency right now. My prior military experience has given me a wide range of skills to handle all kinds of dental emergencies and to handle them quickly so that patients can get back to their lives. We keep multiple appointments open on our schedule every day for emergencies because our mission here at NorthStar Dental is to take care of patients just like you. Please give us a call if you need something, if you feel like you're experiencing an emergency. If for some reason you can't call us, we do have a form on this page that you can fill out, submit that, and somebody at the office will get back to you as soon as possible. I hope there's some way that we can help you, so please reach out if there's anything that you need. Our phone number is on this page. Please have a great rest of your week and let us know if there's anything we can do to help. We'll always be here for you.